Adelante.
ETF journey began with one simple decision to give my dream another chance. I started by making an inquiry, received my panel interview email, and soon became an official ETF student. The journey was not easy. There were late night classes after work, assignments, deadlines, and many challenges. Along the way, I also experienced unforgettable moments through our outreach program, intramurals, and acquaintance party, where I built friendships and created lasting memories. One of the biggest challenges was completing our research. Through consultations, revisions, and hard work, I successfully passed my oral defense, completed my book binding, and reached the finish line. Looking back, ETF taught me that determination, perseverance, and faith can turn dreams into reality. To everyone who has been waiting for the right time to continue their education, remember this: it is never too late to chase your dreams. Your journey may start later than others, but every step forward brings you closer to the future you deserve. Believe in yourself, keep going, and never stop learning. Thank you, ETF. Adelante.